The fingerprint scanner is a quick, easy, and secure way to unlock your Pixel phone, and you can add as many fingerprints as you want. Pixel 6 and newer have the fingerprint scanner under the display. Older versions have it in the back of the phone, and Pixel 4 models unfortunately don't have it at all. To view your existing fingerprints and add new ones, we'll go to Settings first, and then scroll down to Security and Privacy. From there, you'll go to Device Unlock, and then we'll choose Fingerprint. Many models support both Face Unlock and Fingerprint simultaneously, by the way. I just happen to prefer the fingerprints. In the Fingerprints menu, you can see your existing fingerprints or add new ones. The process of adding a fingerprint is super easy. You'll simply rest and lift your finger on the marked spot so the phone can learn and memorize your unique fingerprint. You'll want to move your finger slightly and press it from a different angle each time to make sure the scan covers all the edges of your finger. If you run into issues where the phone doesn't always recognize your finger, you can also add the same finger twice. That gives your phone more data to work with, so no matter what angle you're touching the sensor from, the phone will have a better chance of identifying the scan when it has two separate scans stored for the same finger. And that's pretty much it. After the scan is done, you can name the fingers if you'd like. And remember that you can also do this with another person. For example, if you'd like your spouse to have access to your phone with their finger. Also, some newer Pixel models have a screen-off fingerprint unlock, which you can enable in the fingerprint settings. With that, you can scan and unlock the phone even when the screen is turned off, so there's no need to tap the phone to wake up the screen first. And that's fingerprints on Pixel phones. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.